Fishing from a pier is an extremely fun and popular way to access the water. If you want to greatly increase your chance of catching fish on a pier, you need a good saltwater-friendly lure. Here we will review the best saltwater lures to use when pier fishing. So in this video we will discuss 5 best saltwater lures for pier fishing. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Rapala X-Rap Saltwater Fishing Lure. The Rapala X-Rap Saltwater Fishing Lure is an excellent lure to cast from the pier. This lure measures 4 and features holographic colors and lifelike eyes and an internal rattle that is designed to attract fish. It is made to be cast long distances and features a lifelike darting action that makes it irresistible to fish. This one features 2 saltwater-grade treble hooks. Overall, this is an excellent lure for any kind of ocean fishing. Pros: saltwater-grade hooks and hardware. Darting action attracts fish. Made to be cast long distances. Cons: you may prefer a spoon, bucktail jig, or popper for pier fishing. Number 2. Dr.Fish Lot 3 Bucktail Jig Fluke Lure. When ocean fishing off the pier, sometimes a good bucktail jig is highly effective at getting the fish to bite. That is where the Dr. Fishing Bucktail Jig 3 lure set comes in. In this set you get 3 lures, each with a holographic body, lifelike eyes, and vibrant fish-attracting colors. They are made to glide through the water with a realistic swim action to get the attention of any inshore fish species. The lures are available in 2 different color packs, and 4 different sizes, making them excellent for all types of fish species. If you're a fan of bucktail jigs, this is a great option to consider adding to your saltwater tackle collection. Pros: 3 lure set. Lifelike glides through the water. 4 size options. Cons: properly fishing a bucktail jig takes a little bit of experience. Number 3. KIKITOY Saltwater Fishing Lures. The final spot on the list belongs to the KIKITOY Saltwater Inshore Fishing Lure Set. In this set, you get 5 hard bait minnow lures that each measure 5.5 and weigh approximately 0.8 ounces. The lures each have internal balls that improve casting distance and feature 3 sharp treble hooks. The lures feature a rapid dart action as they travel through water, which attracts strikes. They also each have a vibrant, colorful body that stands out in the water. Pros: 5 lure set. 3 treble hooks. Internal balls enhance casting distance. Cons: these are pretty light, so you may need to add weight if you want to cast them a long distance. Number 4. Berkley Johnson Silver Minnow Gold. Sometimes the best lure is a simple spoon. The Berkley Johnson Silver Minnow Spoon is a great option for ocean fishing. This one is available in a wide range of colors and sizes. It is designed to be weedless and can be casted, trolled, jigged, or twitched to catch fish. This one wobbles back and forth at a 35-degree angle and flashes light through the water, which makes it stand out to any fish in the area. Spoon lures are a favorite of my anglers, and this is a great one to add to your bait collection. Pros: 35-degree wobble attracts fish. Available in a variety of sizes and colors. Flashes in the water to stand out. Cons: you may prefer a different style of lure. Number 5. Halco RP 135H53 135 Roosta Popper. The third spot on our list goes to the Halco Roosta Popper 135 lure. This is a topwater popper lure that wiggles and splashes through the water as you move your rod tip up and down. All this commotion is what attracts the fish. The lure itself measures 5.3 and weighs 1 3/4 ounces. Each lure features 2 sharp treble hooks, and it is available in 8 color options. Pros: pops and splashes through the water to attract bites. 2 sharp treble hooks. 8 color options. Cons: getting the lure to pop correctly takes a little bit of experience and technique. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.